uranium issue is one of the old issue raised by the party time and again. And the party, we cannot deny the fact that the party has raised opposition against the uranium mining in the state, right from our uh, uh, past leader like Hoping Soon Lengdo, who is very much focused on this issue. At the same time, the party entirely we take the same step. And for your kind information, we remember that the party in 2000 to 2016 under the ministership of Sri Dr. Mukul Sangma under the MUA2 government, we have submitted last memorandum during the month of August 2016. At the same time, the government of that successive government has took the decision to revoke all decision against uranium mining in Meghalaya, and the decision has also uh, taken to stop all initiatives relating to pre-mining activities at Domyasiat in Southwest Kashil district, and to stop all activity related to the uranium mining. So we, as the party, we have congratulated the government at the point of time. At the same time, we hopefully that the present government, under the leadership of Sri Konrad Sangma, will stand the same decision. Because I have seen yesterday in the media report that the Honorable Chief Minister of the state, he has clearly mentioned that no further talk regarding mining uranium in Meghalaya. So we are so happy and we congratulate once again the Chief Minister of the state for his bold and immediate decision that he has uh, taken and informed to all the citizens of the state that the government has no more intention to initiate uranium mining in the state. That's all we express our happiness and congratulations as a party to the government of Meghalaya.